Okay friends, I'm at Foodmaxx and I got my super coupons ready. Okay friends, so I'm back home and here is the 14 count case of mangoes. Those were $5, I believe. And then the chips, these brand ended up being cheaper than the Lay's. You get 2 ounces more and they were like 10-12 cents less. Here's the ham, 88 cents a pound, but with the super coupon it was 77 cents a pound. So that's 12 pounds there. Okay, there's that $1.99 10-pound potatoes. I got some garbanzo beans. And the mayonnaise was $2.49 for 30 ounces, but that ended up being 36, which is great. There's the 99-cent bags of 5-pound flour, 2 pineapple, let's see, some lemons. Here's the chicken that was 87 cents per pound. So I picked up about 3 packages of those and I'm going to wrap them up and put them in the freezer. And I picked myself up a little snack. And these bananas I got from O'Brien's on Monday and I'm going to turn those into banana chips very soon. Those are going to be for Christmas presents, so for my boys. Okay, here it is, friends. Here is my Foodmaxx. Okay, so now I'm going to package these away with some frozen freezer paper by twos. I'm going to package them by twos. These are not going to get vacuum sealed because chicken will go through chicken really fast. Okay. Okay, so here it is. I thought I'd wrap up the ham as well.